Hey, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast over to you guys. I'm going to give you a brief website audit, kind of go over what I see on your guys' website that I think could use some improvement that would help with conversions. Then we're going to look at some high search volume keywords that I think could generate a lot of traffic coming to your guys' website. Then we're going to look at what the competition is for those keywords and what you guys have to do to get to that top spot. So looking at your guys' website, I do like what you have going on here. I think this picture is hilarious. This is awesome. I like the layout you currently have for your site. It's really user-friendly. Don't really have too much to say about the layout. A couple of things I did notice with your guys' website. You don't have a lot of content on your site. There was a recent study done by Google. They looked at over 1 million different websites, looking at all the top-ranked sites across multiple niches. And what they found from this is kind of the magic number to get in that top-ranked spot is at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. So increasing the amount of content you guys all have on here would definitely help you guys overall with your rankings. One other thing that I think could really help you guys out, you guys do have your tab here for Contact Us, but actually putting a contact form on this homepage would really help you guys once people are coming to your site with your conversions, just because people are kind of looking for the easiest company to get a hold of. And I know it sounds terrible, but people are looking, they don't want to have to search around your site for how to get a hold of you guys. So putting this contact form on this homepage could definitely help with your conversions and the amount of people who are actually turning from clicks to customers once they come to your guys' website. But overall, I really like what you guys have going on here. It's a well-built site. Don't really have too much to say about it. You guys do have the click to call, which is awesome. That's really important these days with people doing mobile search, so you definitely have that going. But again, not a lot to say about your guys' website as far as improvements I would recommend. Looking at keywords, this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. They do have like a $7 7-day trial, so if you guys wanted to go on and verify any of this information, you definitely could do that. But looking at Pest Control Columbus, Ohio, there's currently 600 searches per month just for this one search term. And this is the one we'll be using to we'll be focusing on moving forward with all this information I'm going to provide you guys today. There definitely are some other search terms available and opportunities for you guys for search terms, but this was definitely the biggest. Being in the top spot for this one search term, you guys can count on getting about 33% of that search traffic headed to your guys' website. So about 200 searches a month just being in the #1 spot for this one search term. So looking at Pest Control Columbus, Ohio, there's a couple different things we look at here. Everybody knows how to use Google, but I like to give just a brief overview so everybody fully understands what we're looking at here. So this Google Guaranteed, this is something Google launched about a year ago. People are paying to have their businesses in this. You know, there is definitely some benefit to that. You know, you're in that top spot, so you're the first person that people are looking at, but oftentimes people are actually going past these, and the amount of money you're actually paying to have Google put you in these sponsored spots, you're really going to see a lot higher return on investment by having your business organically ranked here in the 3-pack or GMB, or organically ranked here within the organic search results. So there's a couple different factors for how you can get your business into this 3-pack. One of them is called citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. Some great sources where you could get citations would be like Yelp or Yellow Book. Even a Facebook page is considered a citation source. So the more citation sources you have, the better your odds are of being in this 3-pack. Currently, you guys are sitting at 13th, so you're not too far off of being in here, but definitely you're going to see a huge uptick in the amount of people who are actually going to your website if you guys are in this 3-pack. Another factor for how you can get your business in here is actually your GMB itself. So looking at Reed's Pest Control, currently you guys have some good reviews. I mean, you're at 4.8 stars at 19 Google reviews. So definitely pushing for those Google reviews as you guys are doing service, asking for people to do those reviews. A lot of people just don't even think about it, but asking for those would definitely help you guys out. Another one is actually your GMB description. So generally there's a spot down here where you can put your description in and it doesn't look like you guys have one. But then that description is actually really important just because it kind of tells Google what you're trying to rank for. So having, you know, Pest Control Columbus, Ohio in that description, when people are searching that, Google knows to pull you guys up for that search term. So that description is really important for having on your GMB. The last thing is actually your organic rankings, so where you sit in the organic search results. So currently you guys are sitting at 26th. I've looked at it a few times and it's jumped around a spot or two each time. 26th. So you guys are currently sitting at 26th. In the top rank spot, our top ranked website. I don't really include Angie's List in this just because Google really prefers to rank the local businesses over these large national directories. So we're going to look at Stryker Pest Control when we compare them to your guys' website. So we're going to go head back over to Ahrefs. And looking at Ahrefs, what this also allows me to do is kind of see what's going on with the back end of your guys' website as far as backlinks and referring domains. The best way to describe what a backlink is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. And you have the most popular kid in school, or site A, and he links himself to the least popular kid in school, or site B. And by linking himself to site B, in turn what happens is we get what's called backlink juice, or some of that popularity coming back to that site B, and in turn it brings up the popularity of that website and moves it up in the search rankings. So currently you guys have, again, 265 backlinks from 18 referring domains. And the do follow is really the most important part of these because that means you're getting that backlink juice back to your website. So you guys have 7 do follow referring domains currently. So increasing the amount of do follow domains you have will in turn bring up the popularity and the rankings of your guys' website. So looking at Stryker Pest Control, the top ranked one, they do have a little bit more content on here, but again, not too much. And again, content isn't the only factor for rankings, but it is definitely something that would help you guys out in moving up in these ranking results. So looking at the back end of their website, they currently have 568 backlinks from 49 referring domains. Only 27 of those are do follow. So very doable to pass these guys up for the amount of backlinks they have that are do follow. And again, they're getting 436 searches per month coming to their website. This is the organic traffic they currently have. So definitely a lot of potential by targeting some of these keywords they're already ranking in that top spot for. And you guys could really see a huge uptick in the amount of clients that are coming to your guys' website. So the last thing I wanted to show you is I talked about citations earlier. Columbus Pest Control, this one right here, they currently have 41 citation sources out on the web, where you guys are sitting at 24. So really your guys' keys to success here is increasing the amount of citation sources you guys have, increasing the amount of content you guys have on your website, and then increasing the amount of backlinks you have pointed towards your website. All of those things combined, you guys would see a huge increase in the amount of traffic headed to your guys' business. If you have any questions on anything I went over in this, please feel free to reach out. I'd love to talk to you more.